can see it and can't stop myself from looking and noticing you, noticing me. Watch out, I've seen a type before. That girl is so dangerous. That girl is so dangerous. That girl is a bad girl. I've seen a type before. She's so dangerous. That girl is so dangerous. That girl is so.
Welcome back to the show. My name is Cruddy, and you can follow me on Instagram at the Cruddy. That's TheKruddy. Now, keeping the show rolling. Right now, we have an interview for all the previous viewers out there. He's collaborated with the biggest names in the business. His name is Cardinal Offishall, and we have an exclusive interview right here on Pre-This. So listen up right now. Cardinal Offishall, Pre-This.
For me, getting into music was not really like something that I had a choice in the matter. I mean, just growing up where I grew up, when I was young, I used to live in an area called Flemington Park back in Toronto, and it's like, you know, besides obviously the direct influence that my father had over me, because my father was an avid record collector, you know what I'm saying? He used to go by DJ Soul Prince, you know what I mean? So he was just a novice selector back in the day, but, you know, I grew up around soul music, reggae music, funk, hip-hop, anything you can think of, you know what I'm saying? And I think the music just kind of chose me more than I chose the music. It was just something that I just kind of was magnetized towards, and I don't think I really could help it much. You know, I just loved it.
To my king, she ain't nothing but to work for my chin sing. So when I would use to boss my box spring, she would have been number one active by that big bad man. I got bad with the wife thing. She gotta know she the girl on the side, on the left of the rest, number two on my mind. There's no way she could be my girl, but she's steady trying to come into my world now.
Well, I've been doing music for a long time, like since I was a youth. I think the first real thing that I got involved with was when I was about 12 or 13 years old. My mom actually encouraged me to write my first song, and the first contest that we entered was like a citywide contest that the mayor had put on. So when I entered the contest that the mayor had put on, we came in first place out of the whole city, and that was kind of the first idea that I had, that, you know, the music thing for me was more than just a little hobby. But when I wanted to leave university and go into music full time, you know, I went to my mom and I spoke to her about it. And at the time, she was very supportive. You know, she said if the music thing don't work out, then she said, yo, make sure you go back to school, because education is first, education is key. I think the first, I guess you would call it the first real release I had, was a song that was called Natty Dread, and it was spelled Naughty. So it was called Natty Dread, and we had sampled Bob Marley's Natty Dread, Natty. So that was the first independent recording that I had that we independently distributed, and that introduced the world to Cardinal. It was produced by myself, it featured myself, and it was on a label. What was the label called? It was called Knee Deep back in the day. I would say over the years I have evolved as a man. I've matured. I've seen so many things. I've traveled the world. I've been to the most amazing places. I've been to the most gutter of the gutter, the darkest of the darkest alleys and corners, and played, you know, some of the most grimiest clubs. And then I've been to places like you know, one of my favorite shows that I ever did was I performed to over 250,000 people in the south of Spain on the beach, you know. So I've seen some of the most amazing things that you could ever see, and I was blessed with the opportunity to become the executive creative director of A&R for Universal Music Canada. And this new album that we have coming out later on this year called Impact is pretty much going to be an accumulation of all those amazing stories, all the people that I've met, all the artists that I've worked with, all the vibes that, you know what I mean, have soaked into my skin. I think this album here, Impact, is really going to just kind of let people know musically where my travels have taken me and where I am now.
So we are here in Clarendon, and that was Cardinal Official. Now moving on with the show. Our next feature comes from a Jamaican artist who's supporting the Caribbean as he shot his video in Cuba. His name is Conqueror, and the song is called Oceans Away. Now listen up to this one, because once it touch Pretties, it hot. So Pretties.
Baby love. So tough. I know it's so hard to say goodbye. So hard to say goodbye. It's so hard to leave the one you love. So hard to say goodbye. Right now I'm reminiscing all the sweet loving and the kissing and the smiles and caresses you be giving, but the lives we are living, baby, they are so unforgiving. You're always so far away. It breaks my heart to hear you cry on the phone at night. It's so hard to say goodbye. So hard to say goodbye. It's so hard to leave the one you love. So hard to say goodbye. Go, we were oceans away, again every day. You tell me to leave, then you beg me to stay. Girl, you can't lie, you know it never helps, eh? The distance between us, girl, it never help way. Me need you by my side, need you right next to me. This one call love, it not gonna work out for we. Now don't get me wrong, girl, it's not gonna hurt me. I'm hoping one day you are gonna come back to me. It's so hard to say goodbye. So hard to say goodbye. It's so hard to leave the one you love. So hard to say goodbye. Even though we are apart, you have a special place in my heart. And like I told you straight from the start, that I will always be there whenever you need me, girl. So don't you cry, beg you wipe the tears from your eye. Cause girl, you know we tried, that you can't deny. And caress me, girl. Every king needs a lady. I'm hoping one day, maybe, you can find it in your heart to forgive me, girl.
It's that time to pay some bills. We're going for another commercial break. You're watching Pretties. We're here in Clarendon, and we will be right back, so keep it locked.